Did you know many people love listening to audiobooks? People listen to audiobooks when they are cleaning their houses, while running, traveling, or even while cooking. And that's why there are many channels on YouTube popping up with audiobook videos. Now, with the type of audiobook videos I'm going to show you how to create in this video, you don't have to show your face or even record the audiobooks yourself. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can start making money on YouTube using just free audiobooks online. I'm also going to be showing you where to find already recorded audiobooks that are free of any copyright claims. Now, if you would like to take your audiobook video creation to the next step by adding these animated waves in your videos, I've got you covered with a free software to use for that. And finally, if you keep watching this video till the end, I'll also be showing you how to double down on the amount of money you can make with the audiobook videos you upload on YouTube. Now, as you can see here, channels like the Audiobook Worm and Greatest Audiobooks are all audiobooks channels on YouTube that have stood the test of time. And by that I simply mean these channels have been uploading audiobooks on YouTube for years now, going through all those YouTube content ID claims and copyright claims. There are also many audiobook channels being created every day on YouTube, and that's simply because many people are interested in listening to books being read to them than reading the books themselves. Now, take the CE Audio channel for example. This is a channel that has uploaded just 6 videos in a month period at the time of recording this video, and they have already generated over 1,000 subscribers. So if you click on the About page here, you'll see that the channel was created on the 29th of August 2021. So this is still a very new channel, and they are probably already making money just from uploading audio videos. Now, if you go to Social Blade, which is a tool that you can use to estimate what a channel is making on YouTube, you'll see that the CE Audio channel has already started generating some money just with over 1,000 subscribers. But the thing is, that's just an estimate of what the channel is making with YouTube ads displayed on the videos. Now, if you look below the video in the description box, you also see links to pages on Amazon. This is the real hidden way these types of channels are using to make money on YouTube. And all this channel creator has to do is download and re-upload audiobooks together with a static image, and that's it. So, where can you find and use audiobooks like the CE Audiobooks channel to create your own videos and start making money from them on YouTube is all what I'm going to show you next in this video. But before we get into all that, if this is your first time to this channel and you're interested in making money on YouTube without showing your face or recording your voice, make sure to check out the YouTube automation playlist that pops up on the top right of this video, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button. And let's get down to business. So, where can you find free audiobooks to use for your videos? Well, the most common place to find free audiobooks to use in your videos is in a public domain website. And that's simply because if you start uploading audiobooks of most recent books, there is a high chance that your video will get a copyright claim. Public domain audiobooks, on the other hand, are allowed to be freely shared online, and that's the type of audiobook you want to use to grow your channel. Here are some examples of free audiobook public domains you can start with. Top of the list you have LibriVox, which is a non-commercial, non-profit and ad-free public domain project where volunteers record books that are already in the public domains into audiobooks. The recorded audiobooks are then uploaded on the LibriVox public domain for anyone to use for free. That means anyone can listen to these audiobooks for free, and they can also use the recorded audiobooks however they like. Now, to download any of the audiobooks on LibriVox, simply click on the audiobook page and you'll see this download button here to download the audio for free. Open Culture is another site that has hundreds of free audiobooks, including works of fiction, poetry, and non-fictions. Here you can find free audiobooks available all over the world, even from other sites on the Open Culture public domain website. So, to download an audiobook on the Open Culture website, simply click on the audiobook page, and on the right side here, you see the download button. Now, Overdrive is also another free service that works in conjunction with over 30,000 libraries and countless schools around the US. The Overdrive app lets you borrow digital contents like ebooks or audiobooks anytime, anywhere. All you have to do with the app is to sign into your local library and borrow books and audiobooks as well. In this case, after borrowing an audiobook, all you have to do later is upload the audiobook into your computer device. It's easy, convenient, and there are tons of options to upload the audio into your computer device. Now that you know a couple of places to download free audiobooks, the only problem now is uploading the audiobooks onto YouTube. Now, as you probably already know, YouTube doesn't allow creators to upload just audio files on their platform. That simply means you have to convert your audiobook file into a video file before uploading it on YouTube. Now make sure to hit the like button and keep watching if you would like to learn how to upload audiobooks on YouTube and start making money with the videos. So when it comes to uploading audio files on YouTube, I've made videos on this channel showing you how to use Wavy to easily upload your audio files on YouTube. Wavy is a tool that will help you turn your audio files into engaging videos made for social media. Now, what really makes me interested in this tool, to be honest with you, is this animated audio wave that you can add to any static image, and it vibrates following the sound of the audio you add to it. Here is a short video clip on how to use the software to turn your audio files into video files.
Here at Wave, we found that adding an audio waveform animation to videos, along with an image and the audio content, is the best way to grab the attention of YouTube viewers. Let's walk through a quick demo of how you can use Wave to turn your audio into YouTube videos that look like this. The only things that you need to get started is a free Wave account, an audio file, and an image. First, let's go create that free Wave account. Now that we've logged in with that new account, our first step is to create a new design. Wave provides a concept called cards, also known as designs. Think of them as templates that include an image, a waveform, and text. You combine the cards with audio to create video clips which you can then share on social media, including YouTube. Let's click here to create a new design. There are 3 design layouts to choose from. For YouTube, the horizontal is always the best. Feel free to experiment with the other layouts if you're wanting to create audio-visual posts for Facebook, Twitter, or Instagram. Next, let's use the editor to configure our design. This includes a background image, a waveform animation, and text, which is optional. Be sure to browse through the waveform animation libraries and find the best one that fits your design. Be sure to play around and get the design exactly how you want it. But don't worry, you can always come back and edit this design as many times as you want. Also, we're always adding new waveform animations to the library, so be sure to check back regularly for updates. Once you have the design just how you want it, click Save. Next, let's head to the Create page. This is where we'll be able to select our design and upload our audio file. If the audio file is longer than the segment that you want converted to a video, just drag your cursor or mouse into the audio bar and click and drag to trim to a smaller segment. You can preview your segment and even listen to the last 5 seconds to make sure it's just right. When you're ready, hit Generate. Once the video completes, it will be available for download in the My Videos page. Just download the video and upload it directly to your YouTube account. You can also connect Wave to your Facebook or Twitter account and share it directly there. And don't forget, you can share this Wave video anywhere that supports MP4 file uploads, so be sure to put it on your blog, Instagram, or any other platforms that you utilize.
Now, you'll find a link to the Wavy tool in the description box below this video. The only problem you will likely face with this tool is that the app is free only for videos that are 1 minute long. That means if you want to use an audiobook that is longer than a minute, you will need to pay to upgrade your account. Now, if you look at the pricing plan of the Wavy tool, you'll see that you can easily pay for the creators plan, which is just about $13. Now, if you don't have the money to pay for any of these plans, you can also use any simple video editor like the vidIO video editor and just upload the audio into the app. Then you want to go and download the audiobook cover image, upload it into the editor. Next is dragging the cover image to match the length of the audiobook content, and that's it. The final step is just uploading the video on YouTube and optimizing it with the title of the book and some tags. Now, when it comes to doubling down the amount of money you can make with the videos you upload on YouTube, you might want to consider becoming an Amazon affiliate. It's really easy to become an Amazon affiliate. All you have to do is click on the Amazon Associate page and then click here to apply to become an associate. Make sure to check out the video link that pops up on the top right of this video. The video will help you go through the Amazon application process. Now, after signing up as an Amazon associate, all you have to do next is search for related books on Amazon. Copy the affiliate link of the product from the Amazon Stripe feature at the top of the page. So after you have been approved to become an Amazon associate, you start seeing this Amazon link feature appear every time you log in into your Amazon account. When you open up a page that you would like to promote the product, all you have to do is copy the link and go back to your video description area and add a call to action and paste in the link. Now trust me here, as your videos start getting more views, you'll be surprised at how many people start clicking on that link and start making a purchase on Amazon, and when that happens, you'll be making some commission. Now, to help you get more views to the videos that you'll be uploading on YouTube, I've put together some step-by-step video tutorials on how I get views to my videos on this channel. So if you're interested, I'll drop the link to that page in the description box below this video. And with all that, I'll wrap up this video. I hope the video was helpful. If so, make sure to hit the like button below, share it on your preferred social site, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss another helpful video.